This is the new JBL Flip 7. I've had all the JBL Flips from 3 to 6 and now 7. Let's unbox it, check the features and sound, and I'll give you my first impressions and also a short review before the full one. So before we unbox it, let's also check the features that it has right now. So as I can see right here, it has the Bluetooth version 5.4. We also have 16 hours of playtime, they say, and this is how it looks now. So they also have a new party play or playtime boost, I think it's called. Bold sound for every adventure, of course. There we have it. So we've got one of these as well. I think it's called a carabiner clip. You can see the JBL Flip 7 right here. It doesn't have another box, and that's a small strap right here. You can see here the line like the JBL Flip 6 as well. We have the Flip 7 right here, and we have a button. This is to release this from here. Interesting. The line that I don't like from the Flip 6, this to keep the Flip 7 from turning around. We've got the plus minus button here for the volume, play button, the JBL logo, and another 3 buttons. This is for the new party thing. And the design is pretty much very similar to the Flip 6, as I can see. Yeah, we've got the drivers here, but it does look, I think, a bit smaller. We've got these protrusions, I would say, outside on the drivers in case you drop them. Let's see what we have here. We've got a quick start guide and product registration, safety instructions, some other papers here, and there we go. This is the clip. So as you can see here, we have this clip that it can attach on the back here. So you can press the button here, take this one out, put this one in the place of the other one, and hook it to your backpack or anything else. Let's put this one back for now. Yeah, this seems to be quite small. Yeah, I think the clip is better to keep here, I believe. It's more practical, I would say. And the last thing, as you can see in the box, it's the speaker, the JBL Flip 7, but unfortunately we don't have any cables, which is a big minus